What's your name?
I'm Balaji.
Balaji. Where
Yes.
are you from?
I'm from Chennai.
Oh, Chennai to come Hyderabad.
Yes, sir.
Why Balaji?
So to learn instrumentation, HPLC, and then QC training.
QC training.
Yes.
So don't you have such type of training centers in Tamil Nadu?
No, sir.
Are you sure?
No, sir. That's no.
Then how do you know about the rainbow?
Just searching in Google.
Google only.
Yes.
By seeing of Google, you are that much of confident to travel this much of distance and paid amount and take training?
Yes, sir.
How,
First,
how
I
you
just.
get that much of confident?
It's kind of like hi. It's my first time to Hyderabad, so I just kind of like explore things. So I just came and I asked about it, and I asked directly to you. So I just interact with you, and then I just okay, it's good. So I just start.
No, my question here, if you come from Chennai to Hyderabad to do job, that's okay.
Okay. Sir.
There is nothing, nothing is there on that. Many people can travel anywhere to do the job.
Yes.
But you not came to the Hyderabad to do the job. You came to here to take a training in Rainbow Pharma Training Lab. My question here, what point is impressed much to travel this much of distance from Chennai to Hyderabad for taking of training? That is my question. Generally, no, right?
Yes.
What is your qualification?
MSc Organic Chemistry.
How many people are there in your classmates? Around
60.
60.
Yes.
How many people are traveled to come Hyderabad and to take a training?
No one.
Why? That's the reason I'm asking the question. Why do you have that much of confidence? Why do you have that much of impression about the rainbow? And what factors impress you, motivates you to travel this much of distance and take a training? That's my question.
Basically, I just need to know insight of the pharma industry. So that's why I just.
And why don't you try job in Chennai directly before coming to the rainbow? Did you try any jobs in Chennai?
Actually, I applied for a lot of jobs, both in Chennai and Hyderabad, a lot of things. But yeah, I
Do
still.
you get any calls from them?
Yes, sir. I got calls, but not from Chennai, but from Hyderabad, sir.
Did you attend any interviews?
2 interview attended, sir.
Which companies?
One is Dasa Pharmaceuticals.
What is it?
Dasa Pharmaceuticals. It's kind of a startup company, sir. Like
small company.
2020, they just started that company.
Okay. Second?
Another is kind of like LNC Pharma.
LNC. Where it is located?
So I don't know, sir, but they said location in Hyderabad. And I also searched in a website also.
Okay.
They have website. It shows in Hyderabad.
Have you faced interview?
Virtually, sir.
Virtual interview.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you select there?
I got selected in both also.
Both you selected?
Yes, sir.
But you did not join?
No, sir, I didn't join.
Why?
No, sir. Pay is low.
Pay is low?
Yes, sir.
And it's quite interesting. You got a job, but still you don't join?
Yes, sir.
And you came to the rainbow and paying amount and taking training?
Yes, sir. So just in training, I just before training, I don't know it, sir. So they'll just train us. But here I can train everything before, and then I just get more knowledge about this. So those things.
About the pharma industry?
Yes, sir.
You're telling
and
about
then
the
skills, and then I just learn new skills.
No,
also.
that's okay. See, my question here, Balaji, once if you come here, if you take training, you have some experience.
Yes, sir.
But my question here, how do you get that much of confidence? These rainbow people give the good knowledge. You got 2 offers, you rejected those offers, and you paid amount to the rainbow, and now you're taking training. Yes or no? That means, see, how much what is the fees in rainbow? 18,000.
18,000.
And how much you are paying for PG?
That PG 6,000, sir.
6,000. That means 6, 12.
12,000.
12 means this is 20. That means 30,000. Approximately 30,000 you are investing for training. This training. Do you feel that is it worthful? Honestly speak.
Yes.
Honestly, 30,000 is worthful.
Yes, sir. It's worthful because I get hands-on training with HPLC, sir. In most companies, only experienced people will get get to work with the HPLC instrument and this instrument. But here I just get trained in HPLC instrument and then I just know what
totally how many days you came to the rainbow so far?
So far 25 days.
Around 25 days you came. In these 25 days you've gone through the classes, you've gone through the practical.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So do you really satisfied?
Really satisfied. Okay. Really satisfied about this training. Both theoretically and practical knowledge also I'm satisfied.
Okay. What do you like much in these 20 days? Of course, the course is not over.
Yes, sir, it's not
that over. You are going to handle the HPLC and GC, all the instruments. So far you did only wet analysis, right?
Yes, sir.
So yes, tell me. What do you feel entire journey? So what do you like much in this journey?
this journey is kind of like it's actually new for me, but actually I totally love to interact with the new people and the in this in this rainbow pharma lab,
You're
and then
getting
lot of various experience.
you're getting many Kerala students, you're getting from Karnataka students,
Yes,
then
sir.
you're getting Telugu students in
Yes,
Andhra,
sir.
and you are getting some Maharashtra students.
Yes,
Sakshi
sir.
before. Fine, Balaji.
Yes.
And one thing you should keep in your
Yeah.
mind, Balaji, you're not a first student from Tamil Nadu. I have
Oh.
many students from Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, from Maharashtra and Karnataka. There's many people are coming, keeping the some faith, keeping the some trust on Rainbow Pharma
Yes,
Training
sir.
Lab. And sometimes I really surprised. Some people are coming from Bhopal also. I really surprised, okay, because they have that much of trust and faith on the Rainbow Pharma Training Lab. Because what other people are coming here and they took training here and they got places somewhere. So these people are referring others,
Yes,
and
sir.
that is the reason these people are traveling this much of distance and all. But I'm really appreciate you, especially because you travel this much of distance and you came to the Rainbow. Definitely, we will give us some support on the placement also.